Fun with fire. Tonight we're doing triple break shells. Look at these shells. Pretty cool, huh? Comes with 12. And what I like about them is they have the descriptions on the actual shells. I've never done triple break shells before. So these are really cool. What are they called, right? That's the question. They are called, whoop. They are called the Phantom X3 12 triple break shells. Triple breaks! From Phantom Fireworks. It's a mortar kit. And here's the effects right there. So it looks like what it is doubles of each. That's what it looks like to me. And I guess that's what they look like. Pretty cool. There's your item number right there, the G267B. And I like how this looks. This looks really sleek. It's pretty cool. So let me take this mortar tube out and show you. So this tube is a cardboard tube, which I'm not a huge fan of. It's very light, but it should do its thing. So we're going to do a few of these. Check these out. It even says it right there, X3, Phantom X3. Pretty cool. So I can't wait to check this out. So let's check this out.